Hi guys, I'm here in the backyard of my new listing here in Discovery Bay. It's a waterfront home. It has a backyard deck. You can park your boat right up into the backyard and kind of go right into your house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I can't wait to share this video with you. I have all the information you may ever need. If you like this home, reach out and let's take a look.